Collecting data with Imfuna is simple. Simply download the app from the Apple App Store or the Android Marketplace and open it. There is no background setup required, and you can start collecting data right away. You can even collect data while offline and simply send it later when you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. To begin, simply select Start. Add your property address details, and then create a new inspection for your property. You will now be prompted to choose a template. Imfuna have provided you with a blank template and a template for a standard one-bedroom apartment. See the video on templates to learn how to create your own. You can create as many of your own templates as you require. You now have 7 general sections in which to capture data. Add schedules of condition, communal, inside and outside spaces, certificates, meters, and keys. Remember, Imfuna is designed for you to add as much or as little data in any section as required. It is completely flexible to your needs. Using the example of inside spaces, open a section to begin adding data. There are 3 levels of data collection. At the most general level, you can take pictures and add voice notes. At a general room level, you can also delete rooms you don't need, or add additional rooms at the bottom here. Select a room to view your photos or listen back to your voice notes, as well as add any further general photos or notes, or type up a room-specific note. On this screen, you can also add a further level of detail. You can add pictures, as well as voice notes, to individual items within a room. Imfuna allows you to format your report as you go. Each new dictation appears as a separate line or bullet point in your final report. As with the general level, you can also delete and add further items as required. Note that at the top of this page, you can also rename your room. Entering an item takes you to the most detailed level of data collection. Here you can specify a general condition for an item with this slider, specify the type of an item, or flag an item for maintenance. This will highlight the specific item both in your inspection data and on the final report. On this final page, you can also view the photos and voice notes you added for your items, and add more if needs be, or add a typed note. Remember that there is no limit to the number of pictures or notes you can add. Once you have added all your data to all the areas in the property, simply press Done to complete your inspection. You can review your data on the summary page and check if any rooms or items in your template were forgotten. If you are satisfied with your data, send it to the web. You will receive an email when it's ready to view, and another notification when all your dictations have been transcribed.